Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into your EQ Bank account. If you have an EQ account and you'd like to get access to it, then here's how to do it. Simply keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Start by opening up a web browser and in the address bar at the top of the screen, type in www.eqbank.ca and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official website of EQ Bank. Go to the top right hand corner and you should see two buttons on the display. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on Join Now and follow the instructions to register to a new account. If you already have an account, click on Sign In link right next to the Join Now button and you'll be taken to a new tab. In the login area that appears on the display, type in your email address, make sure to type in the correct information and head over to the next field and type in your password. Make sure to double check your password if you've typed it in correct or not by clicking on this little eye icon at the right corner. In case you don't remember your password and you'd like to reset to a new password, click on Forgot Password link and follow the instructions. If you'd like the system to remember your email address in the particular device, click on this Remember My Email box. But if you're using a public device or a shared mobile device, leave it unchecked before logging into your account. Finally, after typing in all of your information, click on Sign in order to log into your EQ Bank account right away. It is that simple to log into your EQ Bank account. If you'd like to get access to your online banking account from your computer or your mobile devices, I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.